Ooh, you clicked this video. Somebody don't know how to put beads on their braids. But let me tell you, sis. Let me stop. I play too much. In all seriousness, I'm doing a beads tutorial. The first step is to put the beads on the bead threader. Next step, you want to put your braid in the loop. Just get it as tight as you can. So you're just gonna push your beads down. So now that this one is done, you're going to start with the other bead for the other braid. So you're gonna put your braid in this loop and push it up. This braid might be a little bit too thick.